Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I am KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. Today I am going to teach you the right formula in MS Excel. So is equals to RIGHT. The right is the formula. It is a text function. So is equals to right open the bracket, select the particular text, comma, number of characters. Number of characters is 5. So from the right side, George, EGROGE. So the George is a word. So counting from the right side. The full name is Babit George, but it will count from the right side. Right side, how many characters? So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters are there. So for the 6 characters, you have to type number of characters is 6. It counting from the right side to the 6 characters, the name will be appeared here. So we can split the text from the single cell from the right side of the text. So how many characters you require? Only 6 characters. So the 6 characters of the text will be splitted, and you can see the George has been splitted here. So drag the formula. You can see Harless, only 6 letters have been taken. Melvin, 6 letters. Travis. By these ways we can use the right function in MS Excel. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the CAD NEST channel.